Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to fix Bluetooth cutting on Realme 16. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, so restart phone, just click and hold side power button and you will see restart phone from here. After restarting, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on apps. After click on apps, click on app management and search Bluetooth app from here. Click on Bluetooth app. For example, this is Bluetooth app and click on storage usage and click on clear data. After click on clear data, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, so last solution is software update. Click on settings app. Scroll down and click on System and Update. Click on Software Update. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix if Bluetooth cutting on Realme 16. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.